He's not your friend. I want to talk about male and female relationships and how friendship doesn't really work between a woman and a man, in my opinion. Now, again, this is from my perspective. This is from what I've been able to ascertain in my dealings with men. But men and women are never just friends. Ever. Never, ever, 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 never, ever have I in all of my years. Now, I'm talking about me. I don't know about y'all. I'm not talking about your cousin that always got male friends. I'm not talking about none of them people. I'm talking about me. I have never in the 25 years that I've been on earth ever had a male friend. Now, personally, I think it's because of a very specific reason. Now, it ain't lovers and friends. Lovers and friends is not a thing. Either you're lovers or friends. My friends, let's define the friendship. My friends can see me butt naked. Don't get no type of feelings. Don't have any, they're not aroused by me. They ain't trying to have no SRP. If you know what SRP is. Hey, my friends don't try to do that stuff. How you doing, Tia?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Was you talking about being free? You want to talk about can men and women be friends?
That's kind of hard.
Why do you say it's hard?
Um, I don't know. Maybe you just catch feelings for someone else.
You feel like you would catch feelings with somebody?
Yeah.
Yeah. Most women do. Most women do. I think it works for men, but I have not seen it work very successfully for women. Somebody got some feelings for somebody somewhere. So, did I hang up on her? Well, I don't think it works. I've never seen it work. And I'm going to tell you, the only time I have ever seen a man and a woman be friends, for real, just ain't nobody trying to get booty, ain't nobody trying to lick on each other, do nothing, is if somebody is ugly. If somebody is ugly or unattractive to the other person, then okay, now we can be friends. But I've never seen a man and a woman just successfully be only friends. If they're friends, it's because somebody got put in the friend zone, but they want to be more, or they used to be something and now they're not. If you used to be anything with a person, that is not your friend. That is somebody you got hanging around on the side just in case them nights get a little cold and a little lonely. That's not your friend. My friend is somebody I can be around with no type of feelings involved, no type of he trying to do something, like kindergarten. If you can be friends like kindergartners can be friends, that's what I consider a friend. If you can't, that's not your friend. And this goes for same-sex people now, I guess, because everybody want to be gay now. Everybody's gay and girls liking girls and all of that. That goes for women too. If you a woman and you like me and you want to be with me like that, you're not my friend neither. You just on the side waiting to see if you can lick it or whatever, how these women be doing. That goes for same-sex people too. If you are in any type of thing with somebody and they secretly want to be with you, that's not your friend. So I don't understand these whole relationships where people are, oh, that's just my friend. I've been knowing him for blah, blah, blah years. And, we not together. And, we just hanging out. And I like his friends. And, I know his mom and them. Because I'm going to tell you where this is coming from. I saw a TikTok with a little girl. On there. And she was too happy when her guy friend broke up with his girlfriend. She was rubbing all on his chest and smiling. Ooh, my guy friend just broke up with his girlfriend because she says we're too close. I'm like, it's good that she broke up with him because you know why? You is too close. You seem like you a little too happy for him to not have a girlfriend for me. And see, them situations like that, I've never been friends with a guy. If a man and a woman is sitting up trying to be friends with each other, somebody wants somebody and they waiting to be next. That's what it is, Miss Swim. They waiting to be next. So I never believed that, oh, he's just my friend and he don't want me, I don't want him crap. You can't, my man can't have no female friends. You're not finna be friends with no woman. I don't care if you work with her. I don't care about none of that. But yeah, don't do that, y'all. Don't be excited to be friends with him. Oh, we broke up and now we just friends. Or, oh, now, it's been so long and we have this history, so we can't be together. We just gonna be friends. No, we're not gonna be, we're not gonna be friends. I'm not. I've never had a guy tell me, oh, let's just me and you be friends. Never. And like I said, I know that I'm not just that different than most women, but most guys that see me, they trying to get in the bed. I mean, that's all it is to it. And I don't think, it may be my body type because I'm a little, Southern. So most of the time that a man see me, he ain't thinking about, oh, let's be friends. Oh, let's, hang out. No, ain't no hanging out. They trying to hang in and hang on to something. Hey, Tay. What's going on, Tay?
What's up?
Oh, what you doing?
That's my mama. Go ahead, then.
Hey, mama. Hey.
I'm crying.
Hey. Mama having a good old time today. What y'all doing, Tay?
Nothing, chilling. That's my grandma.
Yo, grandma.
Yes, that's my grandma. She's 60 something.
Go ahead on.
She's
I ain't mad.
I said she's 60 something.
My mom was over there getting it.
She was. What you on here doing?
I'm doing my makeup and talking about men. So do you think men and women can be friends? Yes or no?
Absolutely, if you mature enough.
Wrong. You lying.
You can be friends.
Never. Somebody, your grandma's still in there?
Oh. Yeah.
I was finna say something. Somebody trying to get some booty. Somebody getting booty. If you is friends with a girl, it's because you don't like her, she's not attractive to you, or it's because you waiting for the chance to get with her and have sex with her. Tell me I'm lying.
No.
Then what do you say?
For most of them, it is the last one. But I do have female friends that I don't think of any other way except just a friend. We just friends. That's it.
Why?
I don't think
they ugly. You don't like them?
No. Like, it's like a sister type thing. Like, no. Now I do have one best friend.
I'm sorry. I
got one female best friend that I am waiting for a chance for, but that's not why we're friends. We've been friends since.
Thank you. We've been friends. That's not your friend. You're friends. You're not trying to see them naked. You're not trying to have hump on them and lick on them. That's not your friend, baby.
I'm not.
No. That's not no friend. You know what that is? That's somebody you got sitting in the wings, waiting until she get tired of dealing with these knuckleheads. Then you're going to try to slide over there and be with her. That's not your friend, baby. Nope.
I say that's 50% true. I say that's 50% true.
I know you. That's in the book. 50-50. I know you, Moses. That's in the Bible. The Bible say I know you. Listen, my name is Michaela. If it's a man out here trying to get with a woman and he don't want to have no sex with her.
Yeah, 50-50. Some men think like that. I'm gonna say most men think like that.
I know.
But other men, they just be chilling.
But hey, you think like that too, baby. You just said it.
No, I said it's one female friend. I have a lot of female friends.
Oh, you got a lot of them, but it's one that you...
It's one female friend that I'm waiting for a chance. Yeah.
So why are you friends with these girls? How old are you?
They around my age. Some of them I went to school with, some of them I work with, like that.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, you young. See, this is the thing, Tay. Let me tell you about a girl that's your friend. Either she like you or you like her. My son is 18, and I be telling him the same thing. I said, look, your car gonna be on some flats playing with these girls like this. Mama, she my friend. That girl is not your friend. That girl is sitting up there waiting until you choose her out of all the rest of the female friends. And when you don't choose her, she ain't gonna tell you she mad, but she gonna be mad. Her feelings gonna be hurt. You might be her friend, but she ain't your friend. And you playing with girls. And listen, girls will stalk you and hurt you, son.
Yeah.
I know.
For sure.
I know. So don't
y'all out of
to them, okay?
Because y'all out of pocket.
Out of pocket. Smooth out of pocket. We'll slice you and dice you. It's 2021. Y'all better listen.
For real.
Okay, Tay, let me go.
All right. I'm about to follow you.
Okay, why? What I tell you? I told you. Tay on here 20 years old. He said it's one of them he waiting on, but the rest of them he not. And the rest of them he not. The reason why he's not is because he know them little girls don't even want him. That's why. That's why Tay don't want to be friends with him. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling you what God love. I be trying to tell y'all the truth, but if he ain't trying to have no sex with her, it's because she ain't trying to give him the chance to do nothing. I'm telling you. I've had to cut many men off who literally couldn't accept that I'd never date them. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, y'all. No man is going to sit up and want to be your friend. Only time he want to be your friend is if he's waiting to see if he can be the one. He waiting for your man to mess up. Then he going to try to slide in there. And that's it. Or if he's gay. There you go. There you go, Miss Nay. If he's gay, he definitely don't want you. And you don't want him. He says it's completely platonic, but I've told him how he's not single anymore, so it isn't okay. I don't understand what that means. He told you that y'all's relationship was platonic, and you told him he ain't single. How you gonna tell a grown person what they finna do with their situation? What that mean? AARP. You told him it ain't platonic, and he said it was. How that work? Who? Don't tell me. I'm trying to figure out what y'all. I don't know. It feels sus, but I'm trying to be trusting. What is you trusting? That's not your friend. Either he your man or he's nothing. You don't know what's going on with him, but you then told him he ain't single no more. And he told you that he wants to be only platonic with you, and you don't want to believe him. Yeah, he's not your friend, baby. He just is waiting for you to get booty. Why? I don't understand. This is like really, this is the part about women that really kind of, it's almost as if some women do not want to live in reality. They really want to just exist in this middle ground. With men, it either it is or it's not. Like there's no in between. What does it mean when he told me take me serious but don't take me serious? It means that you're playing yourself. It means that you playing yourself if you sit around and entertain this man. I'm not taking nobody serious if we ain't got a ring and a date. It's okay. I'm not, and don't take me serious neither. Don't take me serious when you see me on Instagram post it up. Like, don't do that. Don't take me serious neither. You're not ready. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Fine. What you shocked? Why you look so shocked? How you
no, it popped up quick.
Drayvine.
How you say it?
Michaela. So, do
Michaela.
you think men and women can be friends?
Yeah, I got multiple women friends. I'm sorry.
Y'all be lying.
But I don't have a girlfriend. That's
right. So,
but me and my women friend, we don't do nothing. So, but it causes problems though. It could.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like this. If a man is friends with a woman, it's because she's not attractive, or it's because she somebody is waiting on somebody to make the first move.
Thanks, Veronica. Nah, I don't think so. I think you can have women friends that you're not trying to do nothing with. That you
I have never had a man say, "Oh, I want to be your friend," ever. Not one time.
It wasn't a fact that I was just like, I got a woman friend that I'm pretty close with, and we ain't never do nothing. Neither one of us try to, but we both of us attractive. We think, but we don't think of each other on that level.
And how old are you?
I'm 23.
23. See, I've never in life, not one time have I ever had a man say, "Oh, I just want to be friends with you." Never.
It wasn't like, it just kind of like, that's just how we met through friends, and we just friends. It wasn't like it was on that to where it never was to where on some trying to talk to each other. So we just friends type thing. We made it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's never happened for me.
It depends on the type of dude too, because most dudes just horny, so they just, any girl they see, they like, I need it.
But not any girl they see. If you're their type, they're gonna want to be, with you in that way.
Some horn dogs out here. They see a girl, they see anything, they want to hit. Trust me. Especially if it's a dude that don't really be getting nothing like that.
So you be getting some, Drayvon? You be getting some?
I ain't say all that. I plead the fifth, but
line.
I ain't say all that, Miss Michaela. I ain't say all that now. I don't know who in this live.
How do you win?
I don't know who.
I don't understand what this. Huh?
I don't know who in my live. I ain't say all that now, y'all. I didn't say that.
He can't say that because whoever he like and he trying to be with is on the live.
No, I don't know who in it. I don't know who in it, so I ain't gonna say nothing.
See? That's what I know. That's what I know. That's what I know. I don't know how to win. I don't know how to get the. I don't even know what this is.
You don't gotta do nothing. Your people just gotta send you likes and send you gifts. That's it.
Oh, it's gifts. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you beat me, boo. Bye.
All right.
It said lose. I lost. Oh well. That's it. Okay, y'all, I gotta go get in this car rider line and pick these boys up. But I'm gonna be doing some more TikToks. I done put on my earrings, so I'm feeling a little spicy. I hate to go though. I hate to go, but I gotta go. Gotta go be a mom. It's part of the job. But I guess I will see you guys on the way. Around the way. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you and welcome Blossom G1. Thank you for following me. I will see you guys in a few minutes. I'm Michaela Pink, and that's what I think.